Welcome back. 1 in 6 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer during his lifetime. Men's Health First is raising awareness about prostate cancer and promoting routine PSA screening for men during their third Pancakes and Prostates event this year, and it's happening this weekend in Flint. Joining us now with more on the event is Men's Health First founder and president Dwaynbe Parker, and aren't we lucky, we have former Detroit Lions quarterback Eric Hipple here in the studio with us. Thus, all of this great Lions props here on the table. Thank you both for joining us.
Thanks.
My pleasure.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you. Yeah.
So, Dwaynbe, tell us about this weekend's event. The tagline is "Come for one, stay for the other." Whichever one you're coming for, the pancakes or the information about the prostate.
Well, Dawn, we're really excited about this weekend. What we do know is that prostate cancer is the second leading cause of cancer in death in men, cancer death in men. And so what we're trying to do is draw attention, bring attention to the awareness of it. But more importantly, a simple PSA blood draw can easily detect the level of your prostate, and then from there we can make some changes and we can do something about it. So what we're all about is knowing your numbers, being aware of those numbers and levels, and prostate cancer is one of those levels and numbers that you need to know.
So we've got prostate information, pancakes, and their discussions, correct? So,
absolutely.
So, and talking about all kinds of men's health topics, correct?
We have a panel of 3 individuals, one a physician who will talk and discuss the issues from a medical point of view about prostate cancer. And we also have 2 other gentlemen who are prostate cancer survivors, where they can share their story and what we call real talk about prostate cancer, what they went through, what happened, how they detected, and what they're doing now. And they survived it. And so we think that that is a great impact when it comes to talking about this issue.
And Eric, you're here a part of this great awareness event. You are a men's mental health spokesperson for Blue Cross Blue Shield, Blue Cross Blue Shield being one of the sponsors for this event. Talk to us about what you've learned in this role, you know, and talking with men, being a man. Why men are so reluctant to go to the doctor?
Because we're stubborn.
You said it. I'm just agreeing with it. No.
And it's just the opposite of what you think would be, like, you know, fear. Like I don't think it's so much that, because, you know, guys are trying to, we like to fix things, right? But when it has to do with weakness and the perception of weakness, that's an area that, like, okay, well, if I don't see it or I don't know about it, then I'm going to be okay. But that doesn't work that way. I mean, you know, I played, 10 years of football for the Detroit Lions, and this event, anyway, I heard through my work with Blue Cross Blue Shield, you know, so I registered right away, you know, and so I'm going to go down there. But I brought the prop because I thought it was funny, you know, this was 45 years ago is when that's my first game ball I got, you know, on a big win. And, you know, I've always thought that, you know, the best defense is a great offense. Right.
Yeah.
And so,
this shows it.
And we wear pads and everything else to protect us. But you know, at this age right now, you know, the best thing I can do, you know, for to be defensive against, you know, illness and whatnot, is to be proactive. And is to go on offense. And so I'm looking forward to going to the event, and I'm going to get screened myself, and look forward to seeing everybody there and having a good time as well.
Yeah, and Dwaynbe, talk to us about the screening. So on-the-spot screening will take place for
Absolutely. We have a number of sponsors, Quest Diagnostics being the phlebotomist team that will do the PSA, but we have Genesee Health Systems and Genesee Health Plan along with Blue Cross Blue Shield. And so simple blood draw for PSA, no longer the digital rectal exam that men are.
You know, address that.
I will talk about the elephant in the room. That men are no longer afraid of. That is along the wayside. We are much more advanced when it comes to medicine, and so we're about that. We're excited that Eric and Blue Cross Blue Shield are joining us in this endeavor. We think it's very vital. It's important. It's Saturday at the YMCA, the new YMCA in downtown Flint, from 9 a.m. to 11. We ask that you pre-register. However, if you can't pre-register through the QR code that's attached to the flyer, you can give us a call at 810-624 3432, and we'll register you that way.
Yeah, a great event, and I'm sure it can save countless lives. Just early detection saves lives.
We've been doing this now. This is our third, as you indicated. We have literally pushed men, and that's the wrong choice of words, pushed men, but really referred men to the physician, to the primary care doctor after they had their PSA, which became or was detected at a high level. We were able to refer them. So we think that this is where the rubber meets the road, and a vital point.
Well, thank you both, Dwayne and Eric, and go Lions.
Yes.
Thank you for
both,
us.
for joining us today. And we want to just remind our audience that the Pancakes and Prostates event is this Saturday from 9 until 11. It's at the downtown YMCA on Harrison Street in Flint. That's the new YMCA. Reservations are required. You can pre-register by calling or visiting menshealthfirst.org or calling 810-624-3432. That's 810-624-3432.